These bell leggings are super, super easy to make. They're so wonderful to wear, so comfortable. With the band, there's no elastic in it. It's really, really comfortable. And it shouldn't take more than 15 minutes to make it from cutting out to the finished product. So the back and the front, right sides together, overlock it at the crotch on both sides. Lay the back over the front, right sides together, and now we're going to overlock the outside leg seams. Once you've stitched the outside legs, you're going to stitch the inside leg, and the way to do that is to start at the hem edge and stitch upwards towards the crotch on one side, and then start again on the other side of the leg to get it absolutely smooth and even, and avoid twisting the legs. Overlock the band to the top edge of the trousers, and then you're going to just neaten your hem edge, and we're ready for hemming, and these trousers are finished.